Good morning, everybody. It's Dr. A back in the garden, and yeah, it's February here. There's a few things that are green to be sure, and actually it still looks like a garden, believe it or not. Not a whole lot of leaves on trees here, but that's fine. And it's about 40 degrees here right now. But I want to show you this really special plant. This is called Edgeworthia, sometimes known as the Asian or Chinese paper plant. But there's no leaves on it. It's going to be a beautiful leafy plant in the spring and summer and fall. But these are the buds that arise in the fall that are now the flowers. And if you look closely, and it's hard to look closely, they're actually yellow. As I bend down further, you can see the bottoms. And they're really, really cool. Not only are they cool, I got my head stuck in here. I'm about to die here, but they're very fragrant. So, and it's also another cool plant that you seldom see. My granddaughter, when we first showed her this, she called it the three tree because it's one of the few trees, shrubs if you like, that actually go into three. Here's an example here. Down here you can see there's three branches coming off. Over here there's three branches coming off. Usually most things just go into twos or ones when you cut them back a wee bit. But anyway, this is Edgeworthia chrysantha, for those who like names, the Chinese or Asian paper plant, and I just think it's fabulous. Unfortunately, those of you in Wisconsin and Montreal and Des Moines and stuff probably can't grow it. But for those who can, go out, grab one and enjoy. All the best. See you in the garden. Bye now.